Hey everybody, it's Mr. Citron again, and I'm about, I would say, 60 miles northwest of Fairbanks, driving along the Elliott Highway. And one of the things I'm learning is about the succession events in a boreal forest, and it's kind of really cool. I'll just give you a very simplified version of the kind of things that one would see in a successional event out here. These purple plants right here, they're called fireweed, and these areas tend to ignite, and forest fires are very common in this region as they get super dry. But what's particularly interesting about fireweed, it's called fireweed not because it ignites itself, but it's one of the first plants that you see after a fire. You'll also notice that there are these white birch trees right here. You'll notice it's called white birch because the bark is white, and that's a tree that follows a massive fire. So we have fireweed, white birch, and then there's another tree that will follow the white birch called white spruce, and I don't really see white spruce here. It's a tree that again follows the birch, has a pretty extensive root system, very aggressive. You'll see clusters of white spruce, but what ends up happening is that it sort of destroys itself with its aggressive need for nutrients and starts to die, making room for another plant called black birch, which is, I can't really see. I don't know if you can see through the white birch. I'll show you pictures of it. But this is an interesting tree because it's designed to grow after white birch, and then it's so dry, it's incredibly flammable and tends to ignite fairly easily, setting the stage for succession again. The really cool thing about black birch, like sequoias, is that it needs fire for the seeds to start the germination process. So I will see you guys later. And that's succession in a nutshell.